This video is how to calculate population variance and standard deviation using Excel. So we're going to start by calculating the sum of x using the average function. So here I'm inserting mu. And we use the average formula to find mu. So now we're going to find x minus mu to calculate each deviation score. So here I'm typing in equals b2 minus b11, which is our mu. And I'm doing that for each piece of data. So here it's equals b3 minus b11. And I'm just going through and calculating each deviation score. And now, just to reduce the amount of decimals we have, I'm highlighting all of those scores and using this function under home to reduce it to 2 decimal places. Now we're going to calculate the sum of the deviation scores to check our work. And so we're just using the sum formula for C2 through C7, and it should equal 0 or a number very close to it. Now we're creating a column for the square deviation scores. And we calculate this simply by typing in equals C2 times C2. And that formula can be clicked and dragged using that tiny little plus sign to apply to the whole column. So again, we're reducing that to 2 decimal places. And now we'll find the sum of the square deviation scores, our SS, by using a sum formula. Now we have everything we need to calculate variance. So we're going to type in equals D9, which is our SS, divided by 6, which is N. Population always uses N. Now to calculate standard deviation, all we have to do is find the square root of variance. So type in equals SQRT for square root of our variance, which is G3, and we have our standard deviation. And there are actually Excel formulas to calculate the variance and standard deviation easily, so we're going to use those now. So to find variance, we're using the formula equals VAR point P, select our data set, close parentheses, and we get variance calculated. Standard deviation is very similar. Using the formula equals STDEV point P for population, select our data set and click enter, and then we get standard deviation for the population.